How to lose weight by running. Running is an excellent way to exercise. Not only is it convenient, but it also offers plenty of health benefits. It is one of the best ways to promote cardiovascular health and help strengthen your muscles, knees, and back, and lose weight. Running daily for at least a mile or two will enable you to steadily lose weight for as long as you don't overindulge in food. Following is how you run to lose weight. Warm up by walking for 5 minutes. Right after you warm up, sprint as fast as you can for 1 minute. After you sprint, walk at a steady pace for 5 minutes. Repeat the interval of a 1-minute sprint and a 5-minute walk another 4 times to complete a 30-minute workout. End your exercise by walking until your heart rate has steadied and your body has cooled down. Running will enable you to lose weight as long as you do it regularly, and you also make an effort to watch what you eat.